Hey, this is Nari Studios with another video. In this video we're going to look at Roblox Studio and tell you a little bit about it, a little bit about making scripts in it, a little bit why you should use it instead of just using it in regular Roblox. Well, the first thing I want to show you is how to get to it. You might already know this, but a lot of people that I know, I say, well, use Studio. And they say, well, I didn't download that. Well, if you have Roblox, you have Studio. You have to go to find the folder called Roblox. I don't know why it's under videos, but open up Roblox. Oh, that's why. Okay, let's do it again. Open up Roblox, find. Well, anyway, if you have a search, it should come up with the Roblox Studio. If you don't, it usually comes up with a folder called Roblox, and you open that up, and it comes up with both Roblox and Roblox Studio. Yeah, so just click on Roblox Studio to open it. Well, here we are at Roblox Studio. I'll come up with games. Not sure why. Alright, well, a lot of people, they go over to here, they go over to their places, and they click one of these edit, like to edit one of their places. You don't click build, because build is where you're actually walking around and doing it, and that's not good because you're like always all the scripts are always running, so if you put an unanchored brick in midair, then it'll just fall, and it's a lot easier to build if you can move your camera and stuff like that. So here you click edit, but if you're going to make a new something new and you don't want to edit one of these, you just go to File, New. Alright, well here's place one. We have it here. We can go to View Toolbox. Here we are. Let's go to Terrain. They uploaded all this new stuff, so you have to go all the way down and get a basic base plate, which is right here, grass, I usually use. So you zoom out. Here's your base plate. Alright, you can insert bricks here. Here's for simple stuff. Insert brick. Alright, now, yeah. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about brick meshes, or block meshes, now that they're called. Well, block meshes are something that makes the block, which is this, totally straight, like it's a total rectangle. This may look like a total rectangle, but if you look at the sides, it's not. Right here, there, they're not total rectangles. It's more of a rounded edge. You can see this by if you put one on top of one, like, whoops, like, won't let me. Okay, here we go. So if we put it on top of the other one, you'll see a crack. You can use these if you're going to make like a log cabin or something, or a brick house, but if you want to make it look futuristic, it doesn't look very good. So to do this, make it a total computerized rectangle, you go to Insert, when it's highlighted, click Object, and then go to Block Mesh. Click OK. Now it's totally straight. You can see the difference between the two. That one's straight, that one's a bit curved. You insert Object, Block Mesh, boom, no crack. Looks like one different brick. So if you were to go make this small, let's make this super small, or that's not very small, but oh well. Make this small, and then you would go like this. See, now it looks like one brick that just has this kind of opening off of it. You could make a cross. Not that I'm religious. It's just something that I just came up with. And then open there. See? Now it kind of looks like a cross, and you don't have all these cracks that are right here. That makes it look kind of unrealistic. Here, let me show you what it'll look like without it. See? And then if you took it off of here, and off of here, it doesn't look very good, right? But if you insert object, block mesh again, insert object, block mesh, insert object, block mesh, there you go. Good thing. Now, I'm going to show you a little introduction to scripting. I'm not going to teach you how to script in this one. I'm just going to show you a bit like how to insert a script and then stuff like that. Something to know, I do apologize for this. I might sound weird, It's because I don't have the cover for my mic thing. I lost it. I'll find it next time I do a video, or I won't. But hopefully I will, or buy a new one. It's been kind of bugging me. But so here we go to insert object, and then just like you would insert object brick mesh, you just have to find in the S's. So you find script. You okay? Then it would insert a script into workspace because we haven't had anything else. We haven't highlighted anything. If you were to highlight this cross, for example, and then insert object script, okay, it would insert a script into this beam thing that I created for my cross. So let's open up the script for the workspace. Here we have a little script, print hello world. If we were to play, it would print hello world, and that would fall because it's not anchored. But it would print hello world. This is actually a nice handy tool because you don't have to always tools test play solo, which opens up a little. Let me show you right now. Tools test play solo. This would open up what you would play in a game, except you can't chat, which I've always found kind of annoying. So here we are. This is all unanchored. So alright. So as you can see, you're walking around, but it kind of takes a little bit, especially if you have a slower computer. So if you just hit this little play button, it plays. The script plays. See hello world, etc., etc. So a little bit about scripting. You could change this. Say print hello. My name is Bob. Run it. Here, go back. Sorry. That's also something. If you hit this little button, it goes back, and then if you pause it, then it just pauses. So I just always go back. Print hello, my name is Bob. Exit out, and then you play it. It'll say hello, my name is Bob after saying hello world, because the script that's in this little cross says hello world. If you were to say hello Bob, and then whoops, I did it again. You were to say hello, what is your name? Then plays it, it'll say hello, my name is Bob, what is your name, etc., etc. Pretty much. Yeah. So this really doesn't tell you much about scripting. I'm just kind of showing you that you can change it, and the whole point of this is that if you know anything about scripting, you can make your own stuff. You can make this do certain things. How do I make this stay up and not fall? It's really simple. You can either click this right here, anchor, prevent moving, and then click it, so then it's all anchored, or you can click it and then go into properties, which right here, and then click anchored or can't collide. I liked this method because if you can just highlight like all of these and then go into properties and then unclick and click. All with this, you have to actually do everything. So if you wanted to do like an entire place, you could just highlight it all and then click unanchored. If one is anchored and one is unanchored, like say let's make this unanchored, and then these two are anchored, we're going to have this thing. And if you just click it, it'll become clicked, and then you can unclick it and click it. But if you want like different things, you have to go manually and just unclick. Something about brick meshes also, they remove studs. I don't think you can have a brick mesh without studs. I mean with studs. I always dislike brick meshes because I just like brick meshes. They also remove studs. Yeah, so you can smooth surface with this. This makes different surfaces welds. A weld makes two things be together without being anchored. Like you could have this cross be together and not fall, but it could still fall down, but it won't come apart if it's welded together. Anchor just makes it so it doesn't move at all from the game. So you can make it smooth. See, now it's smooth. It's not really smooth, but well, it is. It has no studs. This is. Oh wait, go down. The heck? Oh, here we go. So this is slate. If I were to change the properties of material, plastic, now it's all shiny. That's because of reflectance. Reflectance makes it shiny. So now this is a plain green. If you wanted it, I don't know why, but grass is slate, even though they actually have a property called grass, which I kind of like. But I don't really know why. The default is slate for grass, even though they have grass. But whatever. Anyway, you get that, and then transparency makes it transparent. The heck? It's gone now. You can let me just make it plastic. Make it 0.5. Now it's like half transparency. You're on a cloud kind of thing. Then you can change whether it's locked or not. Locked means you can't change it. So this is useful if you're building a studio, because if you're like trying to move something and then this is the floor, let's say, and you really want to move it, so you click this, except you click this instead because you're trying to do it fast, and you go like this, you can throw your floor away, then you have to go put it back. And then before, the back button wasn't working. I don't know why. It works now, I think. Yeah, but before it just didn't. See, this is unlocked now. Usually it would do the thing before it, but it works now, thankfully. So I don't really see why I would use lock, except I don't know. You wouldn't have to click back. It'd be less nuisance. I don't know. Okay, I think that's it. I've covered a little bit about Studio, why you should use it instead of walking around and doing it. You can see you can pan, go under, stuff like that. You can't do that when you're walking around. Then you can. There's stuff here: players lighting, starter packs, different things. Looking at editing scripts. We looked into that. We looked into BlockMeshes, of course. And I think that's it. Alright, well, I hope you liked this video. Comment, please. Don't say anything about how I sound, please, because the cover, of course. Yeah, I hate that. So, I hope you liked this video. I will be coming out with more. Please tell me if you want some more about building or you want some more about scripting. I can do both. I can't do advanced scripting, but I can do some advanced building, like C-framing and stuff like that. Okay, well, see ya.